Hello viewers, welcome back to Globe Invest. In this channel normally you'll be getting free trade calls. In this video I am going to discuss regarding the Bitcoin. This is a cryptocurrency because like in the current scenario, like so many members are like you are seeing that they are like more invested in they are more interested to invest in the cryptocurrencies, but most of them they don't know like what these cryptocurrencies are, like what this Bitcoin is so called, because like almost everywhere you are hearing this word called Bitcoin. This one of the type of cryptocurrency. So in this video we are going to know regarding these cryptocurrencies and especially in that Bitcoin. Okay, so I'll be showing this one in the PPT. So firstly, now what are these cryptocurrencies? Okay, the cryptocurrencies are basically divided into two types. Okay, one is cryptography and another is cryptocurrency, friends. Now this cryptography is nothing but it's a method of storing and transmitting data in a particular form so that only those for whom it is intended can read and process it. That means, friends, in simple words, nothing but the suppose now you I think you have seen so many movies and you know like what is a Morse code if you have seen English movies especially, and like in army type movies or something like that, or any secret code. That means see like in friends or even between members also, like they'll be having some secret language, secret code. That means the person who is sending the information, from suppose A is sending an information and to a person B, so the information who is sending can be only identified by the person B. So no other person can understand what the information is which they are sending. So that simply means that cryptography is. Now cryptocurrency is nothing but a digital form of cash. Now what is it? What is the digital form of cash means, friends? Uh, Suppose a person A wants to send money to a person B who is in another country. Think of now, I am in India and I want to send amount to my friend who is in USA. Now, normally what I do is I'll go, I means like mine is HDFC Bank, so I'll do the transaction via bank. So they'll be charging some transaction fees and they'll be doing thing. But these crypto, by using these cryptocurrencies, we don't need the mediator called the bank, so that way the charges will also be very less. Okay, so this is the basic idea of what these cryptocurrencies are, friends. Now coming back to the Bitcoin one, which is the main topic of a video. So Bitcoin is nothing but, in order to simply understand, friends, firstly, suppose if you have invested 1,000 rupees last year, okay, 1,000 rupees last year in either Nifty or Sensex, friends. So currently by now you will be getting an profit, like you'll be getting an amount of 2,000 rupees, friends. In the same manner, if you have invested 1,000 rupees last year in the Bitcoin, you'll be getting by now 12,000 rupees, friends. So I think you are getting what is it like a difference between like how much like variation is there between the normal Sensex or stocks which you'll be investing and like investing in Bitcoin or in these cryptocurrencies, friends. Okay, so like what is like so now you'll be getting a doubt like why this much of variation is there. That's obviously why you'll be getting this doubt, like why this Bitcoin is so much precious, right? So friends, if you know, like, sorry, it went off to another slide. Yeah, see, like friends, now why this Bitcoin is very precious means everyone knows that if anything is in very limited quantity, if anything is in limited quantity, its value obviously will be very high. Now think of gold. If you think of gold in consideration, now why the value of gold is very high, friends? Yeah, it's not only because like women like gold, it's because it's in limited quantity. In the same manner, Bitcoin is in very limited quantity, friends. So that is now, like in the present world, we are having only 21 million Bitcoin. Okay, out of which already 18.6 million Bitcoin are already mined or taken. Nothing but mine is taken, friends. So the available number of Bitcoins are very less, and it's not something like currencies or any note that it will be okay, we'll be printing them, or okay, we can generate them. We can't generate the Bitcoin more, friends. So that's why the value of Bitcoin is too high and it's too precious in the current world. So basically it does not have any central authority like any bank or governing body in order to run this Bitcoin, friends. It's like decentralized. Okay, so if anyone wants to make any changes into this Bitcoin, okay, it has to be in general consensus. What does this general consensus means? Like more than like 50%, like who are owning this Bitcoin should change, should change the Bitcoin thing, then only it's, either it will be going up or down. Now if you recently see 2-3 days before, the news came that like Tesla people, Elon Musk is going to sell the Bitcoin which they are having, and they are having very large chunk of the Bitcoin. So the value now it came down, and the Bitcoin is highly volatile, friends. Now highly volatile means in December 2017 the value of Bitcoin was $19,000 per Bitcoin, friends, per Bitcoin. Okay, in March 2020 it became $4,000 per Bitcoin, friends. So you are seeing the variation. And in that year, in 2020 itself, it rallied, all stocks also got rallied a lot. In the same man, the Bitcoin rallied to $42,000 per Bitcoin. It's not any per, like the total value I'm saying, it's per Bitcoin value. So you can see like where this 4,000 is and where it went off to 42,000. So like this Bitcoin is highly volatile, friends. Okay, so those who are investing, I'll be suggesting that it's not a lump sum type of investment thing. We should be investing in this Bitcoin in a systematic investment manner, like SIP, nothing but. So you should be investing every month 10,000 or 5,000, something like that. Now I'll show now what is the present value of this Bitcoin. I'll just show in the lab, because see, and the main thing is Bitcoin is it's always live, friends. You can buy this Bitcoin or sell this Bitcoin at any number, any time, night time, daytime, morning time, afternoon, evening, anytime, friends. So if you can see, this is the current value of the Bitcoin, friends. This is the current value of the Bitcoin. That is 37 lakh 40,993 rupees. See, actually in the PDF, in the PPT which I am showing, this is in the dollars thing. So in Indian currency, it's that currently the value of Bitcoin is 37 lakh 40,995 something. It's running. See. So now everyone will be getting it out. So how can I buy the Bitcoin with a which is worth of 37 lakh rupees, around 37 lakh change? So friends, it's not like a single stock. Suppose now see, friends, if now the Reliance price is 1900 change. So if you want to buy Reliance, at least one share, you need to spend that 1900 change rupees. But the same is not applicable to Bitcoin, friends. You can even buy fractions of Bitcoins. That is, suppose if you want to buy, here see, I want to buy 5,000 rupees of Bitcoin, or if I want to buy 100 rupees of Bitcoin, you'll be getting a Bitcoin quantity of 0.00002. If you want to invest 10,000 rupees, you'll be getting a Bitcoin of 0.00265. This is the quantity which you are getting at this price, and you can even buy this one at lower price or high. It's up to you, friends. Okay, so that means there is no time like quantity, fixed quantity, that okay, you need to buy which, or like only can buy only 37 lakhs. There's nothing like that, friends. And if you see here, these are the other types of all types of cryptocurrencies. This is Bitcoin, and another most famous one is Ethereum. So I basically did I basically thoroughly on only these two Bitcoins, only these two cryptocurrencies. One is Ethereum and one more is Bitcoin. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, you need to know thoroughly what the cryptocurrency is, because you just can't simply invest in whatever thing you need. Okay, so this is the platform where I'll be doing, friends. We'll be coming back to this one later. So now you understood like this Bitcoin is highly variable, like highly volatile, friends. Okay, and now, so coming back to another topic, like what this Bitcoin, now what is that 703 crore like 50, you'll be thinking. So friends, like what it is means, in the coming future, like now I told that you need to like buy this, like I suggested that you need to take this Bitcoin in a monthly manner, like that is systematic manner, not a lump sum manner. And after taking it, it's not like for any 1 day or 2 day 3 day purpose, friends. It's like it's for long term purpose. That means you need to hold as long as you can. Okay, the current price, like the current worth of this Bitcoin is, you have seen already, have shown in this market, that is some, it's running near 30 C here, 37 lakh 41,200 currently. Okay, we'll take it as 37 lakh, friends. Okay, so in the upcoming future, it's going to go to 3 crore 50 lakh in Indian currencies, I'm saying, friends. That means one Bitcoin value is going to cost 3 crores 50 lakh, friends. Okay, you are seeing where is this 30 lakh. Now currently it's 30 lakh, one Bitcoin. It's going to go to 3 crore 50 lakhs. To understand this, I'll just try to implement through golding. So gold has a market capital about $10 trillion, friends, or you can take as $12 trillion. But now the current Bitcoin, on the other hand, is having a market cap of $1.2 trillion. Okay, in the upcoming, it is expected that it's going to like overcome the gold in the future, and it's going to even cross 12 trillion market cap. This Bitcoin is going to cross the 12 trillion market cap in the coming future. That means the Bitcoin is far more like precious than gold. You need to get this point, friends. Okay, like you know how gold is precious it is, and how like volatility it's becoming increasing day by day. In this, like, see, these things, like normal stocks, they'll not be increasing okay, by within the 1 day or 2 day. It happens someday, it will be gradually, they'll be increasing. That is like if they have 1 minute, friends. Sorry, actually, I was just went to drink water. So what I was saying is, the Bitcoin is far more superior than gold. You need to keep this point in mind, and you need to like keep this in your portfolio, as like you need to take it in how much ever dips as it is possible, because you can't buy like this one in all highs. If you want profits, good profits and all, you need to buy them in the dips. Now currently I feel this is the best time to buy a Bitcoin, because I'll show you the uh, one, because this has fallen, friends. Now why this has fallen? Because now recently, as I have told, that the Elon Musk has announced like they are selling the Bitcoin thing, so that's why this one has fallen from around 47 lakh or 46 lakh, something like that, to now 37 lakh, friends. So what I say is, now this is the right time to buy this Bitcoin. How much ever you can buy that one, friends, but don't try to invest lump sum amount. And now the next point where it comes is like where I need to invest and how can I invest in Bitcoins. So this is the platform where I'll be investing in like cryptocurrencies, friends, where you can buy Bitcoin or Ethereum and all. That is Wazirix. It is also, this Wazirix app is also available in both Android as well as in iOS. That's in Play Store as well as in Apple Store, friends. So after installing, the procedure is very simple, friends. For this one, see, this is not any paid promotion for this app or something I do in this, so that's why I'm saying in this one, friends. So after installing, it will be asking to register either via mail or through phone number. You need to like enter your details and all. Next, after installing, means after registering into that, you need to proceed through KYC process. KYC, they'll be simply asking your name, your date of birth, your PAN card, your Aadhaar card, and once you're keeping the Aadhaar card or driving license also, you can keep. Whatever you chose, the third one will be you need to upload those photos also, and the last one will be you need to take a selfie with the Aadhaar card or your driving license, whatever you're keeping also, and you need to upload that. Within few 1 or 2 days, your like KYC will be finished, and then you can start investing in this cryptocurrency. Now if you want to invest in this Bitcoin, I'll just show here as I already shown previously. So this is the current price which is there. You can even set the limit, and you can change this to 36 lakhs, something like that. And now you don't need to touch this amount thing, because it will be coming automatically. Now suppose you want to invest 500 rupees, so you just need to type 500 and then just buy BTC, that's over. Or else if you want to invest 5000 rupees, so automatically the quantity which will be there, it will be coming off, and currently I don't need to buy, so that's why I'm just like I'm not buying it. So you can just click the buy button, and there'll be some fee for this one. These are the fees which is there. Normally for each and every transaction the fees will be happening, so applicable. So these are the fees that are applicable in this platform, friends. And so the same is applicable for all other like cryptocurrencies also. Those who are having knowledge regarding other cryptocurrencies also, so it's already, you know, very good for them. So those who does not have any knowledge, for them it's better to just know properly, and then you need to buy or do something, friends. And in the whole cryptocurrencies now, why this Bitcoin, see, if these are all the different parts of, like, you know, types of cryptocurrencies, friends. Among these all, why Bitcoin is having this much of craze and or popularity means, among whole cryptocurrencies, approximately 75% of the share, like holdings, or what I can say, the like margin is of Bitcoin only, friends. That's why, like, it's more advisable to invest where the more volume is there. That's why I also prefer to invest in Bitcoin, friends. So friends, I hope you are getting, at least by this video, you'll have at least got like idea of like what these cryptocurrencies are, and like what this Bitcoin is, and why this Bitcoin is so precious, and how to invest. I have also told that one, what's the correct way to invest this one, and which platform also I have shown you, friends. So I hope you like the video. So please like, subscribe, and share to those whom they need the knowledge of these cryptocurrencies, friends. So thank you very much, and please be tuned. You'll be getting more and more videos like this, friends.